Virtual healthcare is a convenient way for you to have a healthcare appointment in the comfort of your own home. But it's important to know about your choices and how to make sure your medical information and conversation is private and confidential. You and your healthcare provider should explore your appointment options and make a choice that works for both of you. Your options may depend on the purpose of the appointment, your medical condition, and the type of technology available to both of you. For example, you may feel more comfortable having a telephone call instead of a video call, or you may wish to see your doctor on a screen. Your doctor may feel that they need to see you in person. It's important that you and your doctor both feel comfortable with the appointment, and that you feel you have options and that your choices are being respected. You also have the choice to include someone in your appointment, like a family member or a friend, or to just have the appointment by yourself. If you are using technology that is new to you, it's a good idea to practice using it before your appointment. Some healthcare providers offer technology support and can solve problems or answer questions before your appointment. Just like online shopping, you should make sure that your medical information is kept confidential and secure. Here are some tips. Make sure you are in a quiet, private place where you cannot be overheard. If you have someone with you, make sure it is someone you trust with your information. If possible, use your own device. If you borrow a device, for example, a laptop from the library or from a family member, make sure you delete any of your information before returning it. Libraries will also check to make sure that your information is deleted when you return it. Your healthcare provider may talk about privacy and confidentiality before the appointment and ask you if you consent. In other words, if you are okay to continue with your appointment. They should also be in a private space where others can't overhear or see the screen. If you have someone with you, your healthcare provider should ask about your consent before sharing your information. Your choice and privacy are important parts of any healthcare appointment, and especially during a virtual healthcare appointment. Make sure you get the care that's right for you.